Water-efficient irrigation systems for resilience. Title: Water-efficient irrigation systems for resilience. Introduction. Water scarcity is a pressing issue, affecting various regions across the world. With the increasing demand for water resources, it is crucial to adopt more sustainable practices, especially in agriculture, to ensure resilience and maintain food production. One effective solution to address this challenge is the implementation of water-efficient irrigation systems. These systems play a vital role in minimizing water usage, maximizing efficiency, and promoting agricultural resilience. This article will explore the importance of water-efficient irrigation systems and highlight their various benefits. 1. Understanding water-efficient irrigation systems. Water-efficient irrigation systems are a significant advancement in agricultural practices. These systems utilize innovative technologies to optimize water distribution, reducing wastage and improving overall efficiency. Some commonly used water-efficient irrigation systems include drip irrigation, sprinkler irrigation, and precision irrigation. Each system offers its unique advantages, ensuring that water is used optimally in diverse agricultural landscapes. 2. Benefits of water-efficient irrigation systems. 2.1 Reduced water consumption. One of the primary benefits of water-efficient irrigation systems is their ability to minimize water consumption. These systems deliver water directly to the root zone of plants, reducing evaporation and runoff. By doing so, they increase water use efficiency, allowing farmers to produce more crops while using less water. 2.2 Improved crop health and yield. Water-efficient irrigation systems also contribute to improved crop health and yield. By providing water directly to the plant's roots, these systems ensure that plants receive the necessary amount of water at the right time. This precision allows crops to thrive, resulting in higher yields and better quality produce. 2.3 Energy savings. In addition to reducing water consumption, water-efficient irrigation systems also help conserve energy. Traditional irrigation methods, such as flood irrigation, often require large amounts of energy to pump and distribute water. In contrast, water-efficient systems require less energy due to their targeted and controlled water delivery. This reduction in energy consumption not only benefits the environment but also helps reduce operational costs for farmers. 3. Enhanced soil health. Conventional irrigation methods can lead to soil erosion, nutrient leaching, and salinization. However, water-efficient systems minimize these risks. By providing water directly to the root zone, they prevent excessive water runoff and reduce soil erosion. Additionally, these systems promote better soil health by improving water infiltration and reducing salt accumulation, thus leading to more fertile and resilient soil. 4. Adaptability to climate change. Climate change poses significant challenges to agriculture, including changing precipitation patterns and increased drought frequency. Water-efficient irrigation systems provide resilience in the face of these challenges. With their efficient water management practices, these systems allow farmers to adapt to water scarcity and unpredictable weather patterns, ensuring continued crop production. 5. Financial and economic benefits. Apart from the environmental advantages, water-efficient irrigation systems offer financial and economic benefits to farmers. While the initial investment may seem costly, the long-term savings on water and energy expenses outweigh the initial costs. Additionally, improved crop yields and product quality lead to increased profitability for farmers, making the adoption of these systems a wise investment. 6. Government support and incentives. Recognizing the importance of water-efficient irrigation systems, governments worldwide are providing support and incentives to encourage their implementation. These incentives include financial assistance, subsidies, and educational programs, enabling farmers to transition to more sustainable irrigation practices while minimizing economic burdens. Thank you for providing the initial content. I will now continue writing the article. 7. Environmental benefits. Water-efficient irrigation systems contribute to positive environmental outcomes. By reducing water consumption, these systems help alleviate water scarcity issues and preserve water resources for other essential needs. Additionally, by minimizing the use of chemicals and fertilizers, water-efficient systems promote healthier ecosystems and reduce water pollution. This sustainable approach to irrigation also supports biodiversity and protects aquatic habitats. 8. Water conservation. One of the primary advantages of water-efficient irrigation systems is their ability to conserve water. These systems use advanced technologies and techniques to precisely deliver water to plants, minimizing water waste through evaporation or runoff. This efficient water use allows farmers to optimize water resources and maintain high crop yields even in water-scarce regions. The reduced water demand also helps alleviate pressure on local water sources, promoting long-term water sustainability. 9. Scalability and flexibility. Water-efficient irrigation systems come in various forms and can be customized to suit different farming scales and crop types. Whether it is a small-scale system for a backyard garden or a large-scale commercial system, there are options available to meet diverse needs. Additionally, these systems can be adapted to different soil types and topographies, allowing farmers to achieve optimal water usage in various agricultural settings. 10. Technological advancements.